Tragedy struck in a government hospital in Bikaner in Rajasthan after a fire broke out in a nursery ward. 12 infants are said to be injured, out of which 3 are in extremely critical condition. Reports are suggesting that the fire broke out due to short circuit.
3:20 पे यहाँ एक हीटर लगा था, उसमें शॉर्ट हुआ। उसके बाद में एसी शॉर्ट हुई और पूरी हॉस्पिटल में इस तरीके से इतनी ही जल्दी, इतने कम समय में इतने धुआं फैल गया और इतनी पूरी हॉस्पिटल में फैल गई कि कुछ कर पाने के लिए या कुछ सोचने के लिए जगह मजबूर हो गए और बच्चों को सबको गार्जियंस को कह के बाहर निकलवाया। नर्सरी में जो बच्चे थे, 3 अननोन बच्चे थे, उनको हमने खुद ने नर्सिंग स्टाफ ने बाहर निकाला और उधर गायनिक नर्सरी में छोड़ाए और सब बच्चों को पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित निकाला और प्रशासन का पूरा सहयोग रहा।
सूचना है कि जो पीबीएम हॉस्पिटल का पीडियाट्रिक यूनिट है उसमें आग लगी हुई है, तो तुरंत एडिशनल एसपी साहब पहले मौके पर पहुंच गए, उसके बाद एडीएम साहब, उसके बाद मैं पहुंचे और इनके जो पूरा टीम था पुलिस का और फायर का, उन्होंने सभी पेशेंट्स को निकाला, उनके परिजनों को निकाला। तो हमने एक बार वेरीफाई कर लिया कि अंदर कोई बचा नहीं है।
Also now Aarti Dogra, the DM of Bikaner, is joining us on the phone line. Ms. Dogra, the first question here being, were all the fire extinguishers there? Were all the guidelines being followed by the government hospital in which there was the fire?
As soon as the fire broke out at about 3 o'clock, and as soon as the information came, the requisite machinery was pushed into action, and the police, the fire department, and the administration were on the spot within about 30 minutes, and everything that could be done, which is why we managed to get everyone out safely. Everything that could be done was done. Regarding the norms within the hospital, whether they were being followed or not, or what the issues there were, we've ordered a detailed inquiry. Once we have that report, we'll comment on that a little better.
Ms. Dogra, but what could have caused the fire?
Like I said, we've ordered an inquiry headed by the additional district magistrate and an electrical engineer and a senior doctor. They will be able to verify the cause of the fire. Initially, when we reached, our preliminary objective was to ensure that all the children and their guardians got out safely, were given immediate medical help, and were placed in the wards where we created space for them. The details regarding what caused the fire or what went wrong will be apparent only once the inquiry is complete.